Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark, and today Matt is going to replace the headlights on his 2015 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. A couple weeks ago he replaced these headlights, or maybe even a month or two ago. How many?
3 years ago.
Sorry, 3 years ago he replaced these headlights with a different bulb, but it really didn't help much. So he got some new ones. Matt's going to go with the JW Speaker 8700 Evolution J2 LED headlight. He said that these are highly rated and a lot of good reviews on them. They're DOT approved and apparently very bright. First step in the process is to take the grill off, which involves pulling up these little clip holders that hold it in place. They just kind of pry up with a screwdriver, and then you pop out the little plastic piece. So this is just held on, the grill is just held on by a couple clips, and you just sort of pull them gently so they pop free. And then the whole thing just flips forward. The headlights are held in by a retaining ring, which comes out after taking off, I think it's 4 Torx bits. Now the tricky part with this is the plug that holds the bulb in is sealed so water doesn't get in, and it's really difficult to get out. You might have to pry it with a screwdriver a bit. After pulling out the old bulb, these just literally clip in place. Put the retaining ring on, and then you just put the Torx screws back in place and tighten them down. This Jeep didn't come with factory LED headlights, but Matt said if they do and you're replacing the Mopar headlights with a third-party brand, you usually have to get a different retaining ring because the Mopar ones apparently mount different. Matt's just double checking all the screws to make sure they're snug but not over tight. To put the grill in, it just kind of clips in the bottom. And then you replace the retaining rings up top. He pops them in but doesn't secure them in place until they're all in. Then you just kind of give them a push and they should pop down into place. Matt's going to save the old headlights, he said, because if he ever sells the Jeep, he'll put them back in and he'll buy a motorcycle and put those other headlights onto the motorcycle. Now pull the left stalk back. Okay, pull it back. Pull back. Unfortunately, they're blinking because of the frame rate that I film at, 24 frames per second. Here we go. Matt's going to turn on his lights. Kind of hard to tell, actually, because they're just shining off of the jet skis, WAVERUNNERs, boats. They look pretty nice, at least in the phone video here. So it's literally like a 15-minute job to put these in, and anxious to try them out at night on a dark road. If you have any questions about this, please leave a message in the comments and we'll be happy to answer as best we can. Thanks for watching and have a great day.